welcome back to my channel. My name is Franca David, and today I'll be taking you through the step of downloading the fastest and easiest app in creating your tapestry graph. In our last video, we talked about how to make use of this graph, while on this video we'll be talking about how to download this app. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. So first of all, you click on your Chrome to take you to the Google, and then you click on the search bar. Type down what you want to search, which is the Wutasia app. Then you search for Wutasia app. I've already searched for it, so it's already there. So you click on it, click on the search bar, and it will bring you to this page. Then you scroll upwards and click on the Wutasia APK for Android. You can see it's even the latest version. The one I have on my phone is version 2.4.6, but this one is version 2.4.8. Then click on free download, then click on free APK download. It will bring up ads. Just cancel the ads. Then your download has started. You can see it has started. Then it will show something like this: just download, just press download anyways. Then it has started downloading automatically. Then you can check, you can click on the details to follow up the download. After you're done, just click on it, then click on install. I already have the old version on my phone, so right now what I'm trying to do is to upgrade it, so all the projects that I've worked on will still be there. But for you that is just downloading it, you will not have any projects. It will be blank. Then now it's left for you to start working on the app, or working with the app rather. So you can see, as simple as that. It doesn't take time. So this is how to download your Wutasia app. So if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click on the notification bell so as to be the first to be notified when I drop a new video. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next one.